time and effort to really build strong relationships, especially with these key stakeholders, because and you'll learn over time that if you don't, and they start getting further and further away, where they stop showing up to meetings, and you want to be able to build that bridge so they feel comfortable walking across. And my last and final bonus is provide stakeholders with self-service options. One of the things I've seen is that project managers, project coordinators, basically in this field that I love, that I hope you fall in love with, called project management, get caught up in a control thing where they don't provide self-servicing option. What is a self-service option? I kind of touched on it. A SharePoint site. So for instance, when you get done sending out your meeting recap, you have a folder that you put that meeting recap in. If you have a project schedule, or if you have a project report, that you're putting it in a centralized location where you're not a bottleneck.